The Lunavia antifungal pen has over 50,000 Amazon purchases and promising Amazon reviews. But is it actually legit or just another overpriced gimmick? Here's what I found. So, what it claims is that it contains 25% undesalinic acid plus tea tree oil, clove oil, aloe vera, and vitamin E, all known antifungal agents. And it's marketed as easy to use and precise with a twist pen applicator for treating toenail fungus directly. Now, let's go head over into user feedback and reviews. So, some Amazon reviewers report noticeable improvement within weeks. One reviewer said, "I'm using it now, and shipping takes forever." Other 25% undesalinic acid formulations are much cheaper. Another one stated that this pen actually works in 3 weeks. And now, as for the red flags and pricing, is that a Reddit user, or actually, I think the whole thread, is not recommending this product because it's really bad. So you could read all of it right here when you search for it in Google. So just search for this one, and then you would have Reddit right here, and then you'd be able to see the users right here that has actually tried this product. In here is that some of them mentioned upselling calls and high shipping costs compared to cheaper alternatives. And some YouTube review titles warn about suspicious Amazon reviews and overpriced claims regarding these products. And now, in terms of science and verdict, is that the active ingredients are well known and have clinical antifungal support, and the undesalinic acid is FDA recognized for treating fungal infections. No major scam signs, ingredients check out. Many users report results, though some feel like it's pricey and upsells are pushy. So overall, I think Lunavia Toenail Fungus Pen appears to be legitimate and can work for mild to moderate cases. Though it may cost more than comparable products, I think there are more cheaper options and would be at least equally effective. So yeah, it's worth a try if you would want a targeted pen applicator, but shop around and watch for extra fees and check out, especially when you call their customer support because they upsell a lot. And that is based from the reviews that I have read. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.